I'm Manutza Bellissimo. Welcome to Anger Management. Anger is a universal experience, and you don't have to be a psychologist to know that managing anger productively is something few individuals, organizations, and societies do well. Yet research tells us that those who do manage their anger are much more successful than those who don't. The spouse who can productively confront his mate about their negative attitude increases his relationship's chance of success as well as minimizes destructive conflicts. The customer service agent who can diffuse the angry customer not only keeps her customers loyal, but makes her day less troublesome. This course is designed to give you that edge. Some of the benefits of the course are learning to recognize how anger affects your body, mind, and behavior, learning to use the 6-step method to break old patterns and replace them with a model for assertive anger, learning to better control your own emotions when faced with other people's anger, and identifying ways to help other people safely manage some of their repressed or expressed anger. You'll learn to identify distorted trigger thoughts and identify anger payoffs. We'll teach you how to use coping thoughts and how to express feelings appropriately in order to prevent a buildup of frustration. You'll learn how to deal with issues while staying calm and how to develop your personal sanctuary and relaxation techniques. I hope you'll join me for this course, and I look forward to seeing you in class.